बहुत हो गया फन फेस्ट बिजनेस, अब पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं।
Hello and welcome you all to another Sunday video. Today's video is going to be all about getting my life back together on track, back to productivity. So honestly, once our college fest got over, I realized that me and my room both were in a really bad state and we needed a deep clean ASAP. So I started with cleaning up my room, unpacking my bags because how my room looks affects my mood and my productivity a lot. So I was watching this episode of Sarabhai and cleaning my room simultaneously. Because of the college fest, I was literally doing close to nothing these 4 to 5 days, and even before that, I was so busy with my small business and everything. But I believe this provided me a much needed break and also a mood to get back to my studies after all this fun and hectic schedules.
बहुत हो गया फन फेस्ट बिजनेस, अब पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं।
So our pre-profs are going to happen in about 15 to 20 days. We still do not have the exact dates, but we know that we'll be having a 1 week winter vacation around Christmas and New Year, and post that only our exams are going to happen. And I really need to buck up now because it's really exam time and I should be scared. So this year we have 4 subjects. Each first and second year we had three subjects. This is the only year we are having 4 subjects, but it's a little chill from first and second year, as I would say, because ENT, OPTHA and forensic are really small subjects. The only subject which is humongously huge is community medicine, and that's the subject that honestly I scare the most. So I started with making a study plan for myself just to understand and have a framework in my mind that how am I going to go about these 4 subjects, and to understand that till what date what amount of syllabus actually needs to be completed. And that's how I was going to go about my preparation for my pre-profs and also my profs. For all of these 4 subjects, I have finished all of my Marrow videos, and now as I revise, I'm only going through the Marrow notes only mostly. So currently I'm revising community medicine from my Marrow notes because they are so concise, and I really love how things are summarized in these notes, and they really help me understand and also recall things much better. I also decided to quickly just oil my hair before I go to the shower and take a head bath today. So as I was revising, I quickly oiled my hair and then I went to take a shower. I feel in stressful times, especially exam times, it's really important to keep these small moments of silence and moments of happiness of you just being with yourself is really important. For example, taking a shower, doing my skincare, or even just doing my evening workout. It just calms me down so much because the entire day we are in so much of hustle and bustle, just thinking about our exams, our marks, our preparation, the questions that we don't know, and it just scares the hell out of us. Literally, whenever I am sleeping in my exams, whenever I take even a nap of 10 minutes, I always have this one question stuck in my mind that I do not know an answer to, or that is too difficult for me to learn. Anyway, post this, I was supposed to do a few changes in the website, and I was replying to a few queries of a few customers because there were a lot. I do have a team for this, but there were some things that were needed to be solved by me only. So I did that, and I definitely agree that at these points, the business and even content makes me feel so overwhelmed at times that I'm just unable to study all on my own. And which is why Zoya came to me as a savior. She told me that let's revise together, and these days almost every day evening may 2 to 3 hours we sit down together, we decide a topic and we study and revise these topics together. And it really helps both of us, because I don't know for others, but at least for me, when I discuss things, I tend to retain and learn them better. And the best part is, whenever I am feeling sleepy, she wakes me up, and whenever she is feeling sleepy, I wake her up, and together we are able to complete the topics. So I don't think if we were sitting alone in the library or the reading room or even in our room studying with utmost concentration, wo ho paate. And since there is a constant dialogue going on between the both of us, it really helps us to be active throughout the study session, ask ourselves questions, revise together, ask the other person questions, questions, and that is how we're able to learn it in a more interactive way. We make different mnemonics, we devise different ways to learn specific things. Some are funny, some are really, really out of this world, but it just really helps us retain and revise. We both had our respective marrow notes and we were going on revising continuously from those. I had also ordered coffee for myself because I think coffee is my exam savior. Do let me know in the comments what is that one thing that saves you during exams, because I am so sleepy, especially when I study community medicine. I feel really, really sleepy and coffee saves me a lot. And generally in my exam days I am found drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day, and I'm not even kidding. I know it's not that healthy, but I don't know, it's just the right thing that hits the spot and helps me study much better. Post this, I had a little bit time to spare, so I decided to plan my content for the upcoming months, because I feel that in the past 2-3 months I was lacking on YouTube a lot, mostly because of the journal and the calendar. It kept me occupied so much, and now I do have exams also, but I just quickly jotted down all the videos that I plan on making and all those videos that I can easily shoot and edit and post during exams. Anyway, post this, I started doing oral cavity from marrow again. I'm doing this from surgery, though this is a part of ENT, but this is given in surgery in marrow, and I was thinking that my entire ENT was over, but Zoya made me realize that oral cavity abhi bhi rehta hai, so I just started studying it from marrow. It's not a very huge topic, just 3 videos are there in marrow, and I quickly finished them 2 to 3 hours before sleeping, and finally I was done with the entire thing. Now I just need to revise this thing 2-3 more times and I think I'll be completely done with the topic.
Good morning you all. सुबह से मैं सारी queries, complaints सब कुछ sort out कर रही हूँ of mitalitheSite.com. जो भी थोड़े बहुत orders अभी undelivered बचे हैं, थोड़े बहुत orders जो हमें अभी ship करने हैं. I'm sorry for this. बगल में washroom है, वहाँ पे काम चल रहा है. So yeah, सुबह से मैं वही कर रही हूँ and now it's like 11:30 in the morning and अब हम finally revise करने बैठे हैं and I guess I have to go 3 to 4 class के लिए, तो I'll go take a shower around 2 क्योंकि अभी तो washroom में काम चल रहा है and we'll revise and उसके बाद हम class जाते हैं और फिर वापस आके फिर से पढ़ाई करेंगे. That's the plan for the day. Okay, bye.
Now this time while revising from my marrow notes, I decided to make another notebook in my good notes for the last minute revision, and I decided to take out all of the high yield topics, extremely important topics from my marrow notes and jot them down in a separate notebook, so that whenever I feel like revising, I can just open up that notebook and revise all of those high yield topics that I tend to forget or that are really, really important for the exam, and quickly revise them and get the best out of my time.
So I tried to study a bit but couldn't study a lot क्योंकि आज थोड़े ज़्यादा ही doubts and queries आ गए थे regarding the orders delivery. मैं पिछले 1 घंटे से शिप रॉकेट वालों से बात कर रही हूँ because approximately 10 orders have been delayed so much for the delivery and they're not giving me any proper replies, and I understand the customers are very irritated at the fact that आज 21st हो चुकी है and New Year तक सारे products deliver हो जाने चाहिए. I feel so bad at this point. But yeah, like we are trying our level best जिससे सारे orders timely deliver हो जाएं, and yes, let's see what happens. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ class के लिए. I'm just gonna get ready and go.
I hope you enjoyed this video and this video gave you a little bit of motivation to go and study for your own exams, and if it did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe.